Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this Acacia wood cake stand with lid for rearing purposes, and I think that it's great because you can use it with cakes or any pastry that you want to use. It comes really well protected, which I think that it's nice. You can also use it as a serving tray for biscuits and some jam, which I think that it's nice. This is the glad lid. As you can see, it's rounded and it has a nice height, so it won't, well, smash your cake or anything. It comes with these supports that you can place them over the top and it looks more beautiful. We have some important highlights in the maintenance steps of the base. As you can see, it comes disassembled. This is one of the pieces that comes included for the stand. Okay, as I've said, each piece comes really well protected with lots of foam, which I think that it's really great. And this is the top or bottom part. Okay, when you use it like this, you can set many different, well, nuts, chips or anything. In here you can place some dip, or if you want to just leave it like that and even more cookies or anything like that, you can still are able to close it up, which I think that it's nice, like this. And if you want to use it as a cake stand, you just have to turn it around. And as you can see, you have this flat surface. You can place one of these that comes included for decoration of your cake and place the lid, which I think that it's really nice. It's a two-piece set that you can take with you really easily. And I think that it's nice. The finish is really beautiful. It's smooth and it has a really beautiful design. As I've said, it's from Acacia wood, which I think that it's perfect. And it has its nice size to it. It's thick, a little bit more than the ones that I've seen on the stores like Walmart, stuff like that, which I think that it's perfect. And it feels really stable. As you can see, it doesn't wobble or anything like that, which I think that it's great. I think that it's great that you can use it as a cake stand and or as a charcuterie board. I think that that's a nice touch and it's multifunctional, which I think that it's perfect. Overall, because it's nice size, the option to use it as a charcuterie board and everything that you get included, these two bases for your cake, I think that it's really nice, and overall I will really recommend it. See you guys.